Hello and welcome to the Skyraider video channel. This is Dr. Uli Scholten speaking. Skyraider produces integrative firefighting trainers, including hardware and including 3D simulation, which by the way can run independently. You could also learn 100% on 3D simulators. Our clients appreciate this. We were motivated to produce more of this, especially for the oil and gas segment. Initially we focused on the typical installations like kerosene tanks, which are typically placed in proximity of the airports. But we kept adding more, like gas purification processes, including propane, desalination processes, and various refinery processes. Here in this video, you see a methanol process. It communicates with hardware firefighting scenes, so that tank fires, explosions, and many more scenes, and the correct firefighting procedures can be practiced in reality and in virtual reality combined. What you see in this video is the distributed control process of this specific methanol process. We can include your airport firefighting process and your oil and gas related firefighting process, including training and audits, if you like. We can connect tower simulators, airport firefighting simulators, distributed control systems, real hardware firefighting, and so on. It all blends together in some augmented reality, which allows us to train in a concerted actions the controllers, the ATSEP people, the firefighters, the service personnel, all the people that you need. And in an oil and gas context, you can train the operators of the distributed control systems, the firefighters, the users, and everybody. All will help us to be fast, efficient, and safe. Enjoy the video and do not forget to contact us at skyraider.com. Bye for now.